Dear students, here in the last video we learn about the emancipation of women, and in it we learn the different well-educated people they come forward for the emancipation of women, and in it we learn about Gopal Hari Deshmukh, about Mahatma Jyotirao Phule and Savitribai Phule. We also learn about Vitthal Ramji Shinde, Vereshlingam Pantalu, Maharshi Karve, and so on. Now in today's video we have to learn about religious reforms among the Muslim. Reforms means we can say the development or changes in their day-to-day life. Reforms. Now Abdul Latif started the social reform among the Muslim community. Abdul Latif, this person, he started a social, we can say social movements or social reform among the Muslim community, and he established the Mohammedan Literary Society in Bengal. Mohammedan Literary Society was established by Abdul Latif in Bengal for the social reform among the Muslim community. Now, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, this person, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, he founded the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College. So friends, these all the terms you have to learn very carefully. Institution and their founder. For example, here the Mohammedan Literary Society, it was founded by Abdul Latif, and the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College, means the words are similar, just Anglo-Oriental College, it is by Syed Ahmad Khan, and this literary society by Abdul Latif, in later developed into the Aligarh Muslim University, the same the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College. Later on it is developed into Aligarh Muslim University. Aligarh Muslim University or Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College, these both are same. It was founded by Syed Ahmad Khan. He advocated Western science and technology. He firmly believed that Muslim could make progress only by studying modern education and science. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, he firmly, strongly believed that the Muslim community can only progress by studying modern education, and for that purpose only they started this Aligarh Muslim University or the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College. And they also told that the Muslims has to take the modern education for their own upliftment. Now here it is, movement in Hindu society. Movement in Hindu society. In 1915, Hindu Mahasabha was established to give a respectable position to the Hindu community, and in this period many of the institutions was established by the different people to give a respectable position to the Hindu community, and in it this is one more important institution that is founded in the year 1915, that is known as Hindu Mahasabha. Hindu Mahasabha was established in the year 1915. Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya led the foundation of Banaras Hindu University. This question asked many times in many of the exams. Banaras Hindu University was founded by whom? By Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, or he led the foundation of Banaras Hindu University. Dr. Keshav Baliram Hedgewar in the year 1925 established Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh at Nagpur. Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, they laid the foundation of Banaras Hindu University, and next Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh at Nagpur was established by Dr. Keshav Baliram Hedgewar in the year 1925 and Hindu Mahasabha in 1915 to give a respectable position to the Hindu community. For this, Hindu Mahasabha did the work. Its aim was to set up a disciplinary and virtuous organization of Hindu youth. Dr. Keshav Baliram Hedgewar, they established Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangha at Nagpur, and what was their aim? To organize or to give the virtues. They need a virtuous or disciplinary organization for Hindu, and for that purpose, for that aim, they established Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangha at Nagpur. V.D. Savarkar built the Patit Pawan temple at Ratnagiri, open to all castes of Hindu religion. Common dining program were also arranged. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, they built Patit Pawan temple at Ratnagiri. Patit Pawan temple, it was built by V.D. Savarkar at Ratnagiri, and this temple was open to all castes of Hindu religion, and they also arranged the common dining program. Dining means we can say lunch, or this here the common lunch program or food. On the large scale, they gave the food to the people for the common, means for all Hindu caste. The dining program were also arranged by V.D. Savarkar at Ratnagiri in the temple Patit Pawan temple which they had built. Now